What galaxies, cloud formations, our nervous system, coastlines, and a snowflake have in common? They all contain never-ending patterns, known as fractals. A fractal pattern finds constancy in randomness. By establishing a connection between the very large and the very small and observing that, similar patterns can emerge at vastly different scales, spanning across time and space. This phenomenon is evident all around us, from the majestic spiral galaxy shapes to the intricate weather patterns of hurricanes. From our eyes to terrains, and even down to the tiny eddies in a stream.